Chanel here, your menopause nutritionist. Today I am pretty excited. We are a couple of days out to my last free protein challenge of the year. And this is one of my most favorite things to do. I wanted to share a little story, and it reiterates to me how important the work I'm doing is. I was a guest speaker the other day on a Tuesday night, at a local women's and wellness event. So this week, the September the 1st to the 5th is actually like Women's and Wellness Week, something like this, which I love. I love that we're celebrating women. So I was asked to speak in an event. Of course, I was talking about nutrition, my gift of zone of genius, I should say. And I was teaching the ladies there. There was 25 ladies at this event, so it was quite an intimate event. I was teaching them all about protein and how much they need to eat and why. I mean, this is in a very short time frame. So I didn't have a lot of time. I'm good at talking, like you that listen over here, you know, I'm good at talking. I can have a good chat. But generally I like to do that because I have a lot of information that I'm trying to give you. Because I believe that when we understand information, we make much better choices going forward. Even if we don't really want to do the thing, for example, go to the gym, we don't really feel like it or are inspired, but we know that it's good for us. And so that's what makes us go, because we have the information and knowledge to support it. So I'm big on education. And if there's nothing else that you take away from anything I say, is please keep learning. Keep learning, because if we are not learning, we are not growing. And that is where things stall, and that is where we cannot advocate for ourselves, and we cannot grow and progress as people and become our best versions of ourselves. So after I was teaching them about protein and I asked them to raise their hand if they feel like they're hitting their protein. One person out of 25 is currently eating enough protein a day. Now this is exactly why I'm running my free protein challenge. Exactly. Because, and then I had a client call. Actually, that was on Tuesday before I went to the event. And she has been, so people generally come to me because they want to change their body composition. They want to lose the belly fat, they want to build muscle, whatever that looks like. They're usually not happy with their body in some way. And so this particular client, we have been working together for a while, and we've made quite a lot of changes, and she's doing really well. And the last 2 weeks, when you are in a calorie deficit trying to change your body composition, you absolutely have to track and weigh and measure. It is a non-negotiable for you to get your goals. It just absolutely is. And if you've listened to me here before, you know that that's the case. So she has dialed it in, and for the last 2 weeks has been strict on tracking and measuring. And she got on the call and she said, Chanel, I have not been hitting my protein. I just thought I was, and I wasn't. And now that I'm tracking properly, I have been missing it. And so this is a perfect example of us thinking that we're eating enough protein, but actually in reality we're not. So this is why I encourage you, if you're listening to this and you have not signed up for my free protein challenge, I have been going absolutely ham on the social media. 2 posts a day. I've been doing all of this information because, one, I feel so passionately about this and I want to help as many of you as possible. I do not want anyone to miss this, because what happens is, and it happens every time, and I swear it'll happen this time, you have to be in it when it starts. Like, you can actually join later, but you want to be in it from the start, right? It's not like self-paced. It is me coaching you. So you have to commit, because it's only this coming week that we're doing it together, and then it's done. Like, it doesn't get saved. Actually, you only get access for the week and then it's done. You're out. So that being said, I don't want anyone to miss out. So I am really trying hard to make sure everyone that needs to know knows it is being run out of my new Thrive Community app. And so that means it's going to be even easier. Everything is all in one place, right on your phone. That means the chat's there, the calls are there, the recipes are there, the meal plans there, the shopping list, the cheat sheets, the tracker, the free protein challenge guide, prizes, there's a leaderboard, like everything is just there. It's so easy. And I was checking in with some of my clients who I've been working with for ages on our Monday night call, and I'm like, do you like the app? Because I have been a bit worried about it. I know how good it is, but it's always hard when people are trying new things. So I was a bit worried, and I was getting their feedback, and they're like, I love it. And the Facebook, I couldn't find things would disappear, I didn't know where they were. With the app, it's very clear and you can find things very easily, so you're going to love it. So this is your call to action. If you are not already signed up, there is a link here. Get on the link, sign up, and make sure you get an email from me. If you do not get the email, you will not get the link to get in the app. So you absolutely must get the email. If you do not see the email, check your junk folder or promotions or spam. What happens is once I email you, I do not have any control of what your email provider does, but often your email provider sends it to junk. So if you don't see it, look in junk and then go in and search from chanelstucknutrition@gmail.com and you'll find it. It'll pop up. It would have been put somewhere. And then you'll have all the information you need. And then I can see you in the app. We can link arms and do this protein challenge together, because my promise to you is if you commit to this and you do the things, you will get results this week, and I cannot wait to see that happen for you. You deserve that. You're gonna eat anyway, so you might as well just eat my yummy food and get results at the same time, right? And win prizes. I mean, win. So good. So if you are tuning into this and you have any questions that come to mind right away, drop them here. Otherwise, get the link, it's right here, or comment protein, and I will make sure I send it to you. I can't wait. We kick off Saturday. We're getting ready, and it's going to be awesome. So, yay. Look forward to getting to know you and meeting you in the app. Have the best day. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you soon.